Alam mo ba, hindi mo kayang takbuhan at hindi mo kayang pigilan ang pangungusap at ang plano ng Diyos sa buhay mo. Pamuling kita, buksan ang pinto mo ngayong umaga. John chapter 20, verse number 19. Then the same day at evening, being the first day of the week, when the doors were shut, where the disciples were assembled for fear of the Jews, came Jesus and stood in the midst and said unto them, Peace be unto you. The other verse 26, sabi niya, and after 8 days again, his disciples were within, and Thomas with them. Then came Jesus, the doors being shut, and again, and stood in the midst and said, Peace be unto you. Then a chapter later, chapter 21, verse number 3, si Simon Peter, sabi doon, said unto them, sa ibang mga disciples, I go a fishing. They say unto him, we also go with thee. They went forth and entered into ship, and that night they caught nothing. Verse number 4. But when the morning was come, Jesus stood on the shore, but the disciples knew not that it was Jesus. Number 1 point, God can still pursue you even if you shut the door. Kaya ka pa rin puntahan. Kaya ka pa rin kausapin. Kaya pa rin niyang pasukin ang iyong puso kahit isara mo ang pinto ng puso mo. Amen? Tandaan niyo po, kapatid, alam mo ba, because even if you shut the door, kahit nakasara ang pinto, kayang pumasok ng Diyos sa puso mo. Kaya niyang kausapin ang puso, ang isip, ang buong pagkatao mo, wala kang magagawa dito. No matter how hard you try to avoid God, you will always encounter Him in your life. Hindi mo kayang takbuhan ng Diyos. Papahirapan mo lang ang sarili mo.